Hi, good morning, students of class 7. Yeah, I'm Smita ma'am, your biology teacher. And once again, come back after summer vacation. During the summer vacation, you enjoyed? You passed time at home safely? I hope so. But in the meantime, you have done a little bit of your holiday homeworks and the assignments given to you also. So far, whatever note I have provided to you through Vasum, I hope you have noted it down in your notebooks. And we are in the theme 2, that is classification. We are going with the classification of the organisms, and in that we have done up to classification of organism, that is the 5 kingdom classification. R.H. Whitaker's 5 kingdom classification, kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and the last is the Animalia. Apart from that, the first 4 we have done: Monera, Protista, Fungi and kingdom Plantae before the summer vacation. And I hope you have read that one from your book too. Regarding that, if you are having any queries, we are going to solve it down in our Google Meet class. And today I am going to deal with the next classification chapter, that is the classification of animals. So let us start. We will go slowly with the chapters, but you will try to understand each and every concept. Clear? And whenever I am giving you any videos, uploading any videos for you, go through that video again and again so that it can help you in your understanding. And if you are having any queries regarding that also, you can ask me in the Google Meet. Clear, students? Okay, so let me start the chapter, that is classification of animals. Okay, clear? Classification of animals. Now, in the traditional system of classification, on the basis of the presence of the background and the absence of the background, the kingdom Animalia is divided into 2 broad groups. Kingdom Animalia is divided into 2 broad groups on the basis of the presence and the absence of the backbone. What are that 2 groups? One group is called invertebrates and the second group is called vertebrates. First group and the second group. Today we will be dealing with the invertebrate groups. Under these invertebrate groups, all the animals are being classified into 8 groups or phyla. The groups are also called the phyla. Under 8 groups, you know that. Under 8 groups on the basis of the similarities between them. Now there are some features on the basis of which this classification under 8 phyla are done. What are that? They are maybe on the basis of the habitat where they are found. That may be on the basis of the body shape. They may be on the basis of the body symmetry. Maybe on the basis of the body wall. Body wall, or maybe their nutrition type. Clear? So these are the criteria. These are some of the criteria keeping in mind. These are some of the criteria on the basis of which this classification of animals, that are the invertebrate ones, are done into 8 phyla. Let me first write it down for you, the 8 phyla. The name of the 8 phyla. Number 1 is Porifera. This is the simple organism. That is the simplest animal. Clear? The simple one, very simple one. The second one is the Nidaria, or they are called Coelenterata or Coelentrates. Coelentrates. Clear? The third one, Porifera, then Nidaria or Coelentrates or Coelenterata, And the third one is platyhelminthes. They are also known as the flatworms. They are also known as flatworms. Number 4 we are having is the nematoda or nematohelminthes. They are also known as the roundworm. Likewise, these are known as flatworms. These are known as roundworms. So here we are having nematoda, fourth one, and the third one we are having platyhelminthes that are nematohelminthes. And the fifth we are having the annelida. Fifth one is annelida. It's for segmented worm. Segmented worm. Now why I am telling this flatworm, roundworm, segmented worm? Because they are all coming under the group worms but having some distant features because of which they are being kept in different phyla. They are having some features that are common in them, and one have some other features, that is the distinguishable features, because of which the other is being kept in the another group. That I am going to clarify you in the 3 groups. Number 6 we are having arthropoda. This is the largest group. This is the largest group of invertebrate animals fall in this group. This is the largest one. Clear? Number 7 we are having mollusca. Number 8 we are having echinodermata or echinoderms. Last one is the echinodermata. Their spine has spines in their body. Anyway, let me come one by one with this. And in vertebrate groups, we are having 5 in a vertebrate group, but that I will not deal with you today. Let me deal first with you in vertebrate, and as I told you right now that I will go slowly so that you can understand, you can grip everything. Okay, take time but go line by line. Clear? So let's come with the first group, that is the porifera. Do you know the meaning of porifera? The word pori means pores. They are having, simply the organisms are having minute pores in their bodies. They are having a large number of pores in their bodies. Okay, if I try to draw it like this, they are like this only. Okay, they are having a large number of pores in their body. They are surrounded by pores. Throughout the body, they are having pores. They are having pores in their bodies, through which the water and along with the food enters, and through this pores only the waste matters diffuses out. That means the water is the circulatory medium and it operates through the pores only. Everything diffusion occurs through the pores. That is why they are called pore-bearing animals. They are having minute pores in their body, so they are called pore-bearing animals. They are having a large number of pores in their bodies. They are mainly aquatic, and most important is the word sessile. Sessile means they can't move. Being animal, they can't move. They remain attached. They can't move. So the word is used sessile. Clear? That means they can't move from one place to another place. They remain attached to the substratum. Here, the most important thing that you have to read is the features, characteristic features of each group along with the example. So here in the porifera group, we are having the example cycon and euspongy. That is the bathing sponge, bath sponge. Okay. Clear? So right now I deal with the first group, that is the porifera. Once again I am repeating for you. They are the pore-bearing animals. Water enter and exit through the pores only. They are having a lot of pores in their bodies. They are the simple one, but they can't move. Clear? They are mainly aquatic. And the examples here I put one is the cycon and the euspongia. Clear? Let me come with the second group, that is Nigeria. Nigerian groups, that is Coelenterata, having hollow gut. Coelenterates, the word means hollow gut. If I try to make a figure out over here, let me do it right here now. Okay. They are having a hollow gut inside. They are having hollow gut inside this one. Clear? They are having hollow gut inside. And they are having some finger-like projection. This one, finger-like projection. These are called the tentacles. These are called the tentacles. Now, what is the use of these tentacles? With that tentacles that are mainly present in the mouth. They are having one opening at the top, that is called the mouth. And that mouth is surrounded by a large number of finger-like projections called the tentacles. With these tentacles, they actually capture the food. And at the same time, this tentacles helps and gives them the protection from the enemies. These tentacles are made up of one type of cell that are called the nidoblast. They are called the nidoblast. Actually, these tentacles are made up of one type of cells that is called the nidoblastic cells or nidoblast. So here I said that nidaria, they are the gut animals. That's why they are having hollow gut inside. So they are called coelentrates. Gut means cavity, nothing. They are having a hollow cavity within them. So then the word comes coelentrates. Their mouth is surrounded by tentacles, and the tentacles give them protection along with catching the prey. And the tentacles is made up of nidoblastic cells. Next, I want to rub this portion. Otherwise, I will not be able to explain the rest. Anyway, again here I am just keeping out that examples we have to provide. These groups, the animals are mainly aquatic, mainly marine. I will not say aquatic, but mainly they are marine animals. Okay. And at the same time, they are found near the coast. Okay. And here we are having hydra. Here I have drawn the structure of a hydra. This one is a bud. This is called the bud of hydra. Okay. And here is a hydra. And more examples is sea anemone. And most popular is a jellyfish. I hope some of you might have seen the jellyfish in the coastal beaches. In the beaches, sea beaches, maybe. Okay, so this will be a comment for you, that is the jellyfish. So I'd like to just rub this portion so that I can explain you the next one at the side only. Don't think that is a vertebrate. I'm not dealing with the vertebrates today. I'm dealing only with the invertebrates today. Clear? Next, coming with the Platyhelminthes group. See, students, this Platyhelminthes, Nematohelminthes, and this Platyhelminthes, Nematohelminthes, that is Nematoda, and the Annelida. These three are in the worms group. They are all worms. Okay. Now, we have to read them with the different suitable features. While all of them are worms, but they are kept in different groups. Why they are done so? Why the classification is done in that manner? There must be some reason. If I come to the first group, that is the Platyhelminthes, the flat worm. The flat worms, their body is actually flat. From top to bottom, they are having flat. If I draw the figure like this, they are having the flat, totally flat. Okay. If I draw another one, they are having flat bodies. The body is from dorsoventrally, they are flattened. From both the sides, they are flat, having the structure flat. So they are called flatworms. They have no segmentation. They are very soft, delicate, and they are mainly found in our intestine, in the intestine of the animals as well as the human beings. And they are very large. They are somehow 30 to 35 feet in length. That is why an infected one can have only one tapeworm. For example, tapeworm comes under this category. Okay, and they are 30 feet. Then only one tapeworm can be in an infected person's intestine. Only one can be there, not more than that, because of this length. Okay, they are flat. But another important characteristic is that they are having only one aperture. Pin-like aperture only at the one. They don't have any aperture at the other end. They are having only one single hole in their body through which they take in food. At the same time, the waste product is also being released from the mouth only. The food, the mouth and the anus is same. That means they're having only one opening. But on the other hand, the contrary, the nematode and the annelida, they're having two openings. That means they're having one distinct mouth for taking the food and another distinct opening, that is the anus, for removing the excretory matter out of the body. Am I clear? So here nematoda is having two opening in their body. Annelida is also having the two, but on contrary, platyhelminth is only having one opening in the body. Their body is flat, they are having only one opening, and they may be free living like the planaria. Here I have tried to draw planaria, liver fluke. Sorry, you will not be able to see if I come in the front. Liver fluke. So they are having like this structures, like this. Okay, they are flat. Mainly I want to show you that they are flat. Now if I rub this, so I can write here the distinguishable features of this tree. That means they are having flat body, they are having one opening which serves both as mouth as well as anus. They are either free living or parasitic. And popular among them is the example is the, if I come to the example, this is the tapeworm, liver fluke, planaria, etc. Clear? Now I would like to come in the nematode. As I said, they are roundworms. That means they are cylindrical in shape. And they are having hooks at the front. Clear? Their shape is like this. They are having rounded body, cylindrical structures, but no segmentation. They don't have any segments. But on the contrary, if I come with the annelida, this is the nematoda. If I come with the annelida, if I draw it, they are having segments, ring-like segments. Ring-like. This I have drawn the figure of the leech. This I have drawn the figure of the ascaris. Let me draw the figure side by side. That will help you out to have a view. So this is the basic difference between their body shape. This is the tapeworm. The size is very large, tapeworm. But they are flat, totally flat. The body is flat, totally flat. Okay. And here they are rounded. Here rounded one, cylindrical one, cylindrical. And here they are having segments. That is why segmented worm. Ring-like segmented worm. Here leech. This is ascaris belonging to the nematoda. This is leech belonging to the annelida group. In